Right, so let's move on to the second tab called the fill down tab. And in this scenario, you can see that lots of empty cells within these set of information. And this is actually a real case where someone, he or she has to fill down all the empty cells with the information that's above that. So for instance, this has to be filled out with the word dairy. And these have to be filled with butter, cheese, milk, fruit, apples, and so on. So how would a normal person be doing this? Maybe they would probably not manually type them themselves, or maybe they might click on A2 and maybe just drag downwards and just keep dragging the entities, right? But there might be another problem because this guy, he has over 10,000 rows, and if he were to drag each and every one of them, he might take maybe couple of hours, and that would be horrendous, isn't it? So we took up the case and we thought of a faster way of doing it, and let me show you how to do this. So first of all, you can click Ctrl A and wrap up the data like this one, and press the F5, the function 5 key, which is the go to function, and followed by the special. Click the special, and under the go to special, choose blanks, and it's like telling Excel to go to all the blanks, and you can see all the blanks are selected. So one of the cells that's prominently selected is a B3. Can you guys see it? B3, and we're going to utilize that special cell B3, and under the formula bar we type equals to the entity that's above that, that's B2 and B2. Now don't press enter, however press Ctrl enter, hold on to the Ctrl key and press enter, and let's look at the magic. Voila, all the rows will be filled down automatically. However, we have to be careful because this fill down function could only work up to like 15,500 rows. So anyway, let me show you guys again how to do this. So first of all, Ctrl A, that's to select everything, and press the F5 function key, which is the go to function. And after that, click the special button, followed by the blanks, and followed by the OK button. So all the blanks are selected. Look for the prominent selection, which is B3 in this case, and we use the formula bar to equate B3 to the cell that's above that, which is B2. And finally, press the Control button. Hold on to the Control button and press enter, and everything will be filled down. And I'm sure your boss will be impressed by your efficiency of filling down all the empty cells. Now, I was saying if say you have more than 15,500 rows, so how should we approach this? You're right, just do it 2 times. See you in the next video.